This video is about the Shape Builder tool. The Shape Builder tool, I feel like it's fairly new to Illustrator, maybe the last few years, but maybe it was longer. I have no idea. Um, and the key to building shapes, even if you think you can't draw in Illustrator, is to just manipulate basic shapes then into the more complex forms that you're looking for. So let's start off with an example, right? I have this circle. Let's just kind of make it into like kind of a bumpy double circle pattern. Now, if I hit Option and I drag out this other circle, you'll see that, well, yeah, okay, now it kind of looks like what I want. But what if I wanted to like fill it with a gradient or something like that? These are two separate objects, and that would be a total pain. I want to combine these into one object. So you select both objects, and you can see the selection lines that they're two separate objects. You come over here into the Shape Builder tool. Shift M is the quick way. Um, and now, if you notice, as I click over little spots, it'll kind of give me an option to it'll kind of highlight these shapes. When I click them one at a time, it'll just kind of add them to this master shape. In this case, probably the easiest thing is actually just to actually draw a path. It'll actually connect anything that's within that path. So if I just click and hold it down, and then drag out, you'll see this little line, and then everything's highlighted. Boom. Now, if you notice, right, it's one shape. If we look at the dots here, it's created one little shape here, right? So that's additive. That's an additive way of working, right? You can also be subtractive. Say I wanted to make a crescent moon shape. So I kind of, building a crescent shape with the pen tool would be a little difficult. But I just know that I can just take two circles and cut it out. So again, I go back to the shape shifter. This time I hold down the Option button. And as I hold down the Option button and click on what I want to go away, it removes itself. And here I am. I'm left with a handy little crescent tool. So you see how that could work to create all kinds of different types of shapes.